A new book that I just bought, so if he has not memorized it. Okay,
Kosher gets a card. It is from a boy.
very good.
Kosher gets a card. It is from a girl.
Very good, buddy.
Page.
Another page? Okay.
Kosher gets a card. It is
Nope.
from
Clifford gets a card. Look at my finger. Look at my finger here.
Daddy.
Woman.
Kosher gets a card from a woman.
Very good. Let's look at this one now.
Kosher gets a card.
Look at my fingers. Nope. A card. What's this word?
It is from.
From
Dad,
a.
let me come.
Look at my finger.
It's a man.
Very good. Very good.